fondest memory riding is when I was a kid with my dad. I used to ride with my dad on the back of his bike. I'm currently riding a 2014 Kawasaki 636. Being skeptical into a new brand you've kind of never heard of or anything like that, being like an underground brand, that I was skeptical on the quality of the helmets, but when I got here and I kind of got to look through them and see the molding, the ventilation, and everything inside of it, really excited to be a part of this team.
This is Sena's next generation of modular helmet with Bluetooth 5.0, the Sena Outrush R. The helmet features a reduced profile, sleek 3-button control system, modular design, and internal sun visor. Riders can experience helmet-to-helmet 4-way Bluetooth intercom, or enjoy extra clarity with 1-to-1 HD Bluetooth intercom. Communication has a range of 900 meters, that's over half a mile, and a talk time of up to 12 hours. The Outrush R can also connect to a phone to make and receive phone calls, listen to music, or hear GPS directions, all heard through new and upgraded speakers. As the helmet is equipped with Bluetooth 5.0, the Outrush R can utilize audio multitasking, allowing intercom communication and device media like music or GPS at the same time. Bluetooth 5.0 also allows for use of the Sena Utility app to visually adjust settings and pair with others using smart intercom pairing and a quick scan of QR codes. And while wearing the Outrush R, you can hear voice prompts as needed in 11 different languages. The Outrush R is DOT and ECE certified and comes in multiple sizes with colors gloss white and matte black. A modular helmet packed with technology and upgraded audio features. This is the Sena Outrush R.
Introducing the Sena Outrush helmet with the functionality of a modular helmet and built-in Bluetooth audio system. Easily speak with another rider using HD Bluetooth intercom, or make and receive phone calls and listen to music along the way with FM radio. The Outrush helmet houses an internal retractable sun visor. Temperature is controlled with a 3-part ventilation system. The Sena Outrush helmet comes in sizes small through extra large, each with premium removable liner and cheek pads. The helmet is DOT certified and secured easily with a ratchet system chin strap. Colors include matte black and gloss white. With retractable sun visor, modular functionality, and road-ready Bluetooth integration. This is the Sena Outrush.